Hey everybody, how's it going? Very big day. Super happy, super excited. Ivy just went in for a reverse progesterone test. The results came in and she is ready. Right now I'm just waiting for her to come pick her up. She's in the car with the air conditioner on. Gonna be a very big day. Having puppies. Very super. I can't even talk. Just happy. Okay, Poison Ivy, I'll be right here. I'll wait for you.
I'll get the door for you.
Yes,
right there. Thank you, man. All right.
Okay, Poison Ivy. I'll wait for you right here.
Is it in front or behind?
Little boy here.
What's that yellow thing
Close
coming
to the
out of the
temp
dog?
though, because might go behind them.
What's that yellow
When
thing?
you're petting that part right there. So you're gonna.
The
Hold on.
minute before.
No.
What's the yellow
You're
thing?
good.
I'm fine right there?
Yeah.
Well, I mean closer to the...
closer to the baby.
Yeah.
Closer to the baby.
No, what's that yellow thing that's coming out of the mouth?
Fluid.
Okay, we're gonna go into the
All
incubator.
the stuff that they.
Oh, the puppies are here. Poison Ivy, congratulations. Hey, Ivy, we're gonna go home, okay? We're gonna go home. Here are the puppies, everybody. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys for following us on our journey. Thank you so much again for following Royal Frenchies of LA.